this time the 30th election is a very tough election, especially for the Api-Api, which I'm contesting under the PKR ticket. Now, out of all the 3 tuns in Api-Api, in the Kota Kinabalu, Api-Api is the only one that has 5 contestants, including myself. It is a very hot seat, okay? It is basically an election of conscience, whether the voters are able to vote according to their conscience or they're going to vote because of other benefits for self-interest. Okay, we are voting for the future of our state, a future of our country, and not only for that, we are also voting for the right of the Sabahan people, and also we are voting for our country's future. And your vote, every vote counts. I urge the voters in Kota Kinabalu to come in Kota Kinabalu, especially in KK, because we have sudden questionable voters of 4,000 plus added into Api-Api by certain powerful politicians from PN. And before I even go to the battle, I lost 4,000 votes already. So every single vote is very important. Rain or shine, everyone must come out to vote. And come out early, because if you don't come out early, maybe later on the voters come in, your name has been used by questionable voters and to vote on your behalf already. So the repeat of 2008 is not to be allowed, because on that day, the voting day of 2008, it was raining very heavily and a lot of Chinese voters did not come out to vote. And this time, shine or rain, everybody must come. Because remember, I lost 4,000 votes before I even go to the battlefield. So I need every single vote, whether you are Malay, whether Kadazan or Chinese, especially the Chinese. I want the Api-Api, who used to be a pure Chinese constituency, to be led. The Wakil Rakyat from Api-Api should be elected by the residents of Api-Api and not the imported outsiders to elect him to be the Wakil Rakyat to represent Api-Api. This is the time now, ini kali lah. Because if you don't change now, when do you change? It is this time, ini kali lah. Kalau bukan ini kali, bila lagi? Yeah. Thank you very much. Uphill fight for me. Lose 4,000 before I start my campaign tomorrow. So I hope that everybody understands the importance. Do not stay at home. Go out to vote. Vote in the early morning, so that every vote will decide on the future of you and your children and the state and the country. Sabah is a very important state for the change of government. Sabah holds the key. Sabah and Sarawak holds the key, and we need the seats, every single seat, to contribute to the Pakatan Raya in order to change. No other parties will be able to work together with the federal government to change. Only from Sabah State and the Sabah State and the Sarawak State. So I'm focusing on my seat now because I'm representing PKR under Pakatan Raya. So I urge, saya merayu kepada setiap pengundi, tolonglah keluar tanpa camping terus kepada keluarga dan kawan-kawan. Keluarlah awal pada hari mengundi. InsyaAllah lah kita haraplah kita boleh ini kali lah. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. If you need me, you know my number. You can call me anytime. Thank you very much. Thank you.